Let's see. Oops, going the wrong way here. Come on, buddy.
Kid's bringing it.
Is this the same pitcher?
Sound pretty good.
No, it's a lefty.
Too. It's a lefty. He's a closer, I guess.
Bud hit.
There you go. It's out of here. It's out of here.
Go, baby, go!
It's out of here.
Woo! Woohoo! Got that one, bud! So Doug said all I wanted for Father's Day is a home run.
You got it. Nice job. We're all taking notes now.
Way to go, bud!
Great shot. Yeah, she filmed it too.
I don't know how much of it I got. You know.